Buhari they coming. I never agree, because the video. I'm the man. Our Buhari they coming. Devil man, Akobara. I never agree, because the video. Akobara. Governor for the state. You see, Buhari they coming. I never agree, you must agree. Why did they come? Governor Samuel, Governor Lagos State. I never agree, you must agree.
APC! APC! APC!
Everywhere you go.
Aswaju, I am here, ladies and gentlemen, to thank you very much for exposing yourself to the weather for so long to make sure that Bola Tinubu has been delivered by our great party as the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. There is nothing more I can say which the chairman of the party and the other members haven't mentioned. We are here today. We are very grateful for your turnout. We are very grateful for your support. And God willing, Aswaju is going to be delivered as the next president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you very much indeed.
Thank you, Imo. It's been a beautiful day. Imo is BATified. Thank you very much.